Hi, I am Anil Sethi, Managing Director of Manmachine Group, the pioneers of mechanized cleaning systems in India since 1987. I have great news for you. With our complete car wash and car cleaning solutions for your workshop, we can save you up to rupees 5 lakhs every year. Our primary focus is to assist car dealers, car wash and detailing centers to upgrade service and equipment to world-class car wash solutions by bringing to fore fresh concepts, global brands, and latest technology as innovative solutions, and even first car wash college in India. With over 20 years in car wash and detailing business, we have realized most workshops have the following problems: non-professionally designed bay wash area, wastage of water, power, and wash space, lack of awareness on latest car wash technology and equipment, unskilled labor, low CSI ratings. But at Manmachine, we can help you design professional washing bays, guide you to pick up systems for each bay by number of cars you do each day, and carefully pick up all products and accessories from different world leaders. We offer you complete car wash solutions, from dry wash to steam car wash to smart wash system that will save you up to 50% water, 30% electricity, and 30% manpower over conventional car wash systems. Other systems include professional car vacuuming systems, interior dry cleaning systems as well. We have also partnered with leading European company to deliver European quality car wash chemicals at Indian prices. Our products can be serviced at 56 locations across the country, backed by a national helpline number.
825-230-0400.
So what are you waiting for? Call us for a demonstration right away and let your customers experience the Manmachine difference, the one-stop solutions for car cleaning. Visit us at www.manmachineworks.com or call
825-230-0400.